time to clean out the 4 bathroom vents in the house. All you need are ladders, vacuum, and a toothbrush. Ow. Oh my god. Broke. Absolutely disgusting. You see, the first thing you have to do is take off this fan cover. Super easy. All you really need to do is just pull. As you can see inside are these little clips, right? This clip here and the same clip on this side. So you just pinch them together and release it. Now I'm going to do the same on this side. So easy. Forgot something very important. One down, 3 to go. This one is pretty gross. This one is much more dirty than I realized. I'm a little bit embarrassed to show you this one because this is the one in my bathroom. Ugh. Toothbrush would be perfect. This will also keep the dust from going down the drain. This is the disgusting one. All that mess is skin and hair that you're just recirculating throughout the room as you're going to the bathroom or taking a shower. So gross. Time to vacuum them out. Your hands are there. That's it. Long overdue. Clean yours. Feel better. Breathe better. See you later.